To transfer cryptocurrency from one platform to another, start by opening the recipient app and navigating to the Holdings option at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the Deposit button, which will lead to a seamless screen where you can choose the cryptocurrency option from the drop-down menu. Selecting this option will provide you with a USDT or Solana address, which you can copy by clicking the Copy button. Next, open the Senders app, click on the Accounts option, and then select the cryptocurrency wallet. This will display all the cryptocurrencies currently in the account. Ensure that the USD option is selected, as this is the only cryptocurrency currently supported for transfer. Choose the USDT coin and click the Transfer button, followed by Withdraw in the pop-up menu. In the subsequent window, select External Wallet and then click the plus icon. A new window will open, where you can select the wallet address and choose the Solana network type. Paste the wallet address, enter a wallet name, and click Continue to add the address. Click the Withdraw button next to the wallet address, and then Confirm and Continue. Enter the amount to be transferred in the local currency and click Withdraw. Finally, review the details to ensure the wallet address and network type are correct, and then confirm the transaction. After entering the required verification, such as a password, the cryptocurrency will be transferred from the original platform to the recipient app.